Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Rio, and today we are making super easy garlic pork loin. You know, pork loin is one of the most popular ingredients here in Japan, and in today's version, we're going to cut the meat into bite-sized pieces before you cook, so you have less risk to make it undercooked. You know, making it is super easy, and the taste will be super yummy. So why don't you give it a try? Well, the main ingredients for super easy garlic pork loin are only two. One is pork loin and the other one is garlic. To make sauce, you need sake 1 tablespoon, mirin 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, an additional clove of garlic which should be grated. Plus you need salt and pepper to season the pork before you cook it. Well, you got 4 steps to make it. Step number 1 is to slice a clove of garlic and cut the pork loin into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle some salt and pepper onto the cut meat. Step number 2 is to make sauce. As I told you before, you need sake 1 tablespoon, mirin 2 tablespoons, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, and a grated clove of garlic. Mix them well and set aside. Step number 3 is to heat the sliced garlic till it gets nice and brown with medium heat, and then remove it from the pan and set aside. The last step, number 4, is to heat the meat. Start heating it with medium heat. When it gets nice and brown, flip it over, put the lid on, heat it on with lower heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the sauce in the pan and let the sauce coat the meat. When it gets nice, plate it and put the sliced garlic on it. That's it. Sounds super easy, doesn't it? Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're in step number 1. The first thing you do in step number 1 is to slice the garlic. Press it with a knife and peel the skin. Well, now the skin is peeled, so why don't you give it a nice rinse to it. Remove the belly and slice it into pieces. Yeah, now the garlic is sliced. The other one is to be grated, so just peel the skin and give it a nice rinse and set aside. Okay, give it a nice rinse and set it aside. Right, why don't we go on to meat stuff? Sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. Sprinkle it on both sides. Right, and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Yeah, it's done. It's cut. Why don't we go on to step number 2? Right, why don't we go on to step number 2? Step number 2 is to make sauce. I start with grate the garlic. Right, it's grated, so add in mirin, soy sauce, sake 1 tablespoon, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, plus mirin 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that's it. It's the end of step number 2. Then we go on to step number 3. Mix it well and set aside. Right, why don't we go on to step number 3? I already heat the pan, so why don't we add in some cooking oil into it. I use vegetable oil this time. And put the sliced garlic in it. Okay, turn on the heat, make it medium, and make the garlic get nice and brown. Let the garlic get nice and brown. It's kind of like deep frying it. It's so hard to flip over, but I try. I almost made it. Yeah, I guess I could flip it over. Yeah, I guess it got nice and brown, so remove it from the pan and set aside. Okay, why don't we go on to step number 4? Okay, it's time to go to step number 4. Step number 4 is to heat the meat. Okay, why don't we heat it with medium heat? When you get nice and brown, I'll flip it over. And about 1 minute has passed, and the edge of the meat gets nice and white, so why don't we flip it over? Yeah, it looks great. Okay, so we're turn the heat into low heat, put the lid on, and heat it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, put the lid on. That's a 2-minute timer. Well, now 2 minutes has passed, so why don't we check if it's cooked or not? Yeah, I guess it's good. So why don't we add in the toast in it? Right, give it a nice mix to it, coat it with the sauce. I guess it's time to plate the dish. Alright, why don't we plate it? Yeah, add the sliced garlic on it. Yeah, the sauce. Ta-da! Okay, now it's super easy. Garlic pork loin is ready now. Alright, now you know how to make super easy garlic pork loin. Is super easy literally. So why don't you give it a try at your home? Anyway, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. And if you like this video, hit thumbs up button, leave some comments down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching again. Arigato, take good care. Bye!